How to unfollow everyone on Facebook. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is make sure that you have the updated version of Facebook. After you've done that, you can simply open up your Facebook. And after you open up your Facebook, head over to the bottom right corner on menu. Tap on it. And then tap on the settings icon, that is the gear icon on the top right corner. After you tap on it, scroll down under preference. Under preferences, you'll find content preferences or sometimes also news feed. So tap on it. And after you tap on it, under who you see, you'll find an option called unfollow. Then tap on unfollow. And on unfollow, you'll be able to see the list of people that you follow. Now all you have to do to unfollow everyone is simply tap on unfollow and keep on doing that until you are done and satisfied. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.